we're going to go to the
Matt,
charts
let's
now.
go to the
And
charts.
oh, wait, I just removed. Okay. It's his birthday. Everybody quiet.
Check
It's
it
his
out.
birthday.
Check it out.
He can be late to the charts.
So it's not looking good, guys. It's looking pretty bad.
Deep breaths.
This got really, as the market opened, I was like, okay, maybe this will turn around, and it just got worse when the market opened. So
Oh, that's
sorry,
unfortunate.
no good news here today.
Mm.
Yesterday we took profits, so that was good. We closed out our profits yesterday. Cool. Had the bot still running, and because we're just living with this bot, right? If we wanted to back up to just to describe what we're doing here, is we are using the kimono wave right here, which is a free indicator to use, right? And we are essentially just having a bot buy and sell based on these indicators. Well, sell as in short, okay? It's shorting or buying based on these indicators. And us humans are the ones taking profits when we see fit, okay? So last night we took profits on everything. I just let the bot run and the bot bought, okay? So it did not buy, it did not short, which I'm like, dang it. Nothing to short yesterday, basically, that's saying. Nothing on our list, at least. And I don't have, and that's also partly my fault too, I think, because I don't have all of the tokens that we're trading set up to go short quite yet. But these are current positions. It bought last night. And of course, Freeman's favorite, Cardano, is
my favorite. That's right.
it is totally tanking. It's doing pretty bad here. Dude, it got so much worse. It's just getting bad. So here, we got this oversold signal yesterday on the daily, but it looks like we could just be printing an overbought right away. This could be just a bull trap, is what they call it, guys. It's a trap. It's to trap traders to go long because they think, right? It's because basically, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a beautiful, beautiful. And yesterday, I was looking at this. I'm like, Bitcoin looked like a trap for sure to me. I don't know, because it did break this resistance here, right? Everyone's like, it's going to 2028. Well, first, I'd have it see it go to here,
Everyone.
which is 37. Around 37, right? I see it coming. It just makes sense to come down to this level. But at the same time, anyways, yesterday, right, we had this giant pump. Everyone's saying this is it. We're going to the moon. This is the bottom's in. And now look at it today. It's just right. And I saw this blue vector candle. And I was like, oh man, I don't know about this buy right now, because when you see those kind of candles, it likes to be consumed right away, which means the next candle is going to come right back down. So I mean, I'm not getting out of the position yet, right, guys? I mean, did you see this? We just got a red. It's blinking on and off. It's painting a red dot. It's repainting. We still have 9-10 hours left for the day. All right, so I'm not stressed. I expect it to come down and consume this candle. That's what I expect, honestly. But then the price can start reversing right back up. So let's see what happens. I'm not because we do have. I mean, if you look here, right, we have a divergence here. So I mean, it's not too shabby of an entry point, as right. It could be pretty good. It just might be shaky today. We'll see how tomorrow goes. You know what I mean? But some of these I might just get out. I don't know, man. I don't like having bags. Like ADA could be one of those ones that's just man. We'll see how this. I'm gonna look. Let's check out like the lower time frames here. Oof. Yeah, this looks bad to me. Oof. This 4 hour.
Oof.
Right? You got green wave, but the wave is starting to crest. RSI is coming down. Guys, it just looks. I might just pull short if this 4 hour paints an overbought signal. That'd be actually maybe a good short. So I'm not liking the 88 position. I might get out of that one and look for a short entry. But again, I probably not on this account, because this account we're just doing it daily, right? We're playing around daily. So we'll see. We'll see if it hits our stop loss here and gets us out of this position. But the other ones, what else we got? ETH and Doge. Let's check it out. Oh, freaking Doge. This one, when I saw the bot buy this, dude, I hate it when it buys Doge sometimes. Dude, because Doge does these trap things like this, right, like look at this one here. See this big green candle, big red candle down, big green candle. What do you think's gonna happen? What do you think's I was like, damn it, the bot kind of got tricked there, and the going long at the top of the green vector candle sucks. So I'm going to be watching Doge. I don't like that it bought on this green vector candle, but we'll see if we can get some profits. Basically, I'm going to be looking to see up here, or because we could, yeah, we'll see how it goes today. It's let's check out some lower time frames and see. 4 hour not looking too good. Crest kind of coming, and you know what, guys, we have what do you call this free? Oh no, well, depends where this can. We could see a bit of a divergence happening here, but maybe a hidden bearish divergence forming here.
Maybe.
See, 4 hours is a much better time frame to trade Doge. See, but at the same time, you still have these fake outs. These are the small wins, small losses kind of thing. And then you're looking for these kind of things to take profit in, or for your big wins. ETH, let's check out ETH, and then we'll be done unless anyone. Oh, and then we'll check out Ape to see how that's doing.
Gotta do our Ape Watch.
Ape Watch. Oh, where is ETH? Is this alphabetical order? There it is. Yeah, let's put this first. All right, yeah, as you can see today, it's just all red. So let's see if we see anything turning around, but it's just a dumpy day. Really just reclaiming yesterday's gains, That's why I'm like thinking yesterday could have just been a bull trap, ETH, we're not using that as our position anymore. So let's check it out. Yep, doing the same thing. Nice green vector candle. That candle's getting consumed. But what we want to see here, like, I don't want to see the price, this candle, I really don't want it to be breaking below it. I wanted to see it, yes, come down to it, but then start tracing right back up. You know what I mean? Get down here, shake out all these longs from yesterday, get your liquidations from those 100Xs and stuff like that. And then get the price moving back up here, start claiming some of these other vector candle zones up here. So I think, so let's watch out for ETH. It's a rough start today, but we could, it could be starting to hit some support. But let's check out. See, a lot of these are looking pretty bad on the 4 hour, which is not a good sign in my book. But at the same time, right, we can get an oversold. Momentum wave goes down and everything, and the price is already moved down, and maybe it kind of just ranges in this area before it pops up. But that's what the chart will do. It'll just do a big circle like that and then move up like that. It'll be cool. All right.
It's like a roller coaster. Matt really did play a lot of Roller Coaster Tycoon when he was younger.
Yeah, I mean it's so it's a rough day. I mean, you don't really like to see this because a lot of this doesn't look good, guys. I'm gonna be taking my hopium.
There's a lot of brutal honesty today in this charts.
And taking my hopium today and hoping it bounces back up today, because as of now, it doesn't look. It
doesn't me feel
good, guys.
So warm and fuzzy inside. Thank you. What's our ape
yeah.
coin doing?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
ape.
What's our precious doing?
Ape is down quite 8% this morning.
Well, it's been on a mad pump, so
it needs a solid
needs a
retrace.
little cool off.
So here you've seen it really extend itself from the 50 EMA, and so you expect the price to return to it. Now I don't know if it'll turn in this region, but maybe it'll meet up with the 50 EMA around here. And then maybe we get a rejection off of it. Right? That's what I would expect, is a rejection off of it, because we are pretty bullish. We do have the 50 EMA crossed over to 200, but we have had several levels already of our the market likes to work in threes. So one thing you might want, a pattern you'd want to watching out here for on the 4 hour, or even on some of the lower ones like 1 hour, is maybe like an M. So price comes down, comes up, doesn't quite get high, and then comes down. Because we could start seeing, right, on our way down here. But we'll see. I mean, let's check out divergence here. We have an overbought signal. And yeah, I mean, that is a divergence. Higher highs, but lower momentum. Okay. That's a divergence. So starting to get a little bearish on a lot of the atmosphere here as far as the crypto goes. But
okay. Well, it's getting warm, so put on your shorts.
That's
what
right.
Matt's saying. The weatherman is saying it's getting warm. Put your shorts
getting
on.
Spicy out.
Getting sweaty.
Getting
a little lighter.
Yeah.